Introducing the Appliance AI Cooking Assistant. With over 500 guided recipes and 16 cooking modes, including heat, chop, and more, this assistant is designed to make your cooking experience seamless. Customize recipes with AI, eat healthy, and enjoy the convenience of a touchscreen. Service by brand is available in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Surat, Mysore, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. For other locations, you can register a request and shipping to Bengaluru may apply. Terms and conditions apply. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and 7 years of updates by brand. This includes 3 years of free recipes and AI features, along with 7 years of critical software support. After 2027, you can get new recipes with an optional 149 rupees per month subscription, or keep using the existing ones. Terms and conditions apply. With over 500 guided recipes, you can explore a wide variety of Indian and global cuisines. New recipes are added weekly to keep your culinary adventures exciting. 16 cooking modes, chop, stir, sauté, steam, and more. Just add ingredients, select a recipe, and Appliance does the rest. Auto cleaning mode. The self-rinse function makes maintenance quick and effortless. Saves time, handles prepping, stirring, and cooking so you can focus on family, work, or relaxation. Wi-Fi and app connectivity monitor, control, and update recipes from your phone.